Well, hey there, HISD. This week on HISD Now, we're diving into Clifton Middle School's amazing comeback from a D to a B rating. Plus, parents, don't miss our final weeks of our pre-K parent events, plus a special session for families of Sped students. And we've also got some sport highlights from this past weekend and some spooky family fun that's coming your way. It is Monday, October 20th. Also, don't forget that you can skip around to any story in this video with the chapters right below. Let's get started. So this week, we're shining the spotlight on Clifton Middle School, home of the Cougars. Now, this is for our Campus Close-Up series. Tucked away in Northwest Houston, Clifton is a STEM magnet school that's made huge strides in academics, jumping from a D rating to a solid B. Hey there, Principal Perez. Thank you so much for hopping on. Now, we caught up with Principal Perez, who gave us an inside look at how Clifton is building a strong campus culture, celebrating a great start to the school year, and raising the bar with big goals. You can catch this full interview right now on our YouTube channel. It's also on Facebook and Instagram. And make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss the great stories coming from Clifton all this week. And parents with little ones, don't miss our final weeks of our pre-K Parent Palooza events. All month, HISD's early childhood team has been hosting these awesome sessions for families to learn more about our pre-K programs and to get their kids kinder ready. You can see right here a packed house earlier this month at the Farias ECC. Families showed up big time to connect, learn, and to take home real strategies that they can use right away. Now, there's 3 more chances to join in. Tomorrow at Fawnwood ECC from 4 to 5 p.m. and then on October 28th at both the Lorenzo ECC and King ECC, also from 4 to 5 p.m. Just head on over to our Facebook or Instagram, look for this flyer, and scan that QR code to learn more. And parents and caregivers of 18 and up Sped students, this one's for you. There's 2 chances for you this week to meet and to learn more about services available through Texas Workforce Solutions. Families can ask questions, get connected with resources, and plan for those important transition years. Now, these sessions are happening this Tuesday at Austin High School and then on Wednesday at Yates, both from 5:30 to 7 p.m. Now to HISD sports. We had some big matchups this past weekend on the court and on the gridiron. In volleyball, Bel Air came in ready to dominate, and they did just that, beating Heights High School 3-1. This is their second victory over the Bulldogs this season. And on the gridiron, Lamar and Heights went head-to-head. The Texans were looking to extend their winning streak, and they did just that, beating the Bulldogs 43-10. Lamar is now 5-3 on the season, while Heights fell 3-4. And over at Del Mar, Kashmir, Washington now sits at 4-3, while Kashmir is now 2-5 overall. Before we go, a reminder to all of our families that the HISD Police Department is hosting their 2nd annual Trunk or Treat event. And take it from us, it's going to be a lot of fun. These are photos from last year's event, and you can see right there lots of costumes, candy, music, food, and much more. Mark your calendar. It's all happening Wednesday, October 29th from 5 to 7 p.m. at the High School for Law and Justice. As always, thank you for connecting and starting your week with us, and we'll see you right back here tomorrow.